Stop for a second because what I'm about to tell you might completely change how women see you. What if I told you that one single sentence, just one, could make her heart race, stay stuck in her mind for days, and instantly separate you from every other man she's ever met? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth most men never figure out. It's not your looks. It's not your money. It's not even your status. It's how you make her feel with your words. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Welcome to the Love Blueprint, where we break down the psychology of attraction, connection, and what truly makes a woman feel something real. Today, we're diving into a skill that most men completely overlook: the art of giving powerful, unforgettable compliments. Because let's be honest, if you had the ability to say one sentence that she would remember for years, would you still waste it on your hot or nice dress? Exactly. Most men do, and that's why they're forgettable. But you're here because you want to be different. You see, attraction isn't built on surface level words. It's built on emotional impact, and the real secret weapon, a well placed compliment delivered with intention. Think about it. Have you ever watched a woman's entire energy shift because of something a man said? Her posture changes, her eyes soften, her attention locks in. That's not random, that's psychological. And today, I'm giving you 8 powerful compliments that go deeper than anything she usually hears. These aren't cheesy pickup lines. These are emotional triggers that make her feel seen, respected, and drawn to you on a level she can't explain. Because here's the harsh truth: if you keep throwing out basic compliments, you'll always be just another guy. But a man who speaks with purpose, who understands presence, who chooses his words carefully, becomes unforgettable. So if you're ready to stand out, create real attraction, and leave a lasting impression, stay with me. And real quick, if you want to master attraction and build deeper connections, hit subscribe to the Love Blueprint. This channel is your guide to becoming the man women naturally gravitate toward. Compliment number 1: that fragrance you're wearing, it's addictive. This isn't just about smell, it's about memory. Scent is directly tied to emotion, desire, nostalgia. When you notice it, you're showing awareness, presence, attention to detail. Say it calmly, no overreaction. And trust me, she won't just remember the compliment, she'll associate that feeling with you. Compliment number 2: your smile could light up an entire room. This isn't about beauty, it's about impact. A woman whose smile shifts the energy of a room is powerful and rare. When you recognize that, you're showing emotional intelligence. You're not just looking, you're feeling. And a man who speaks less but speaks with intention always lands deeper. Compliment number 3: I really like how real you are. You don't try to fit in. In a world full of filters, fake personalities, and people chasing validation, authenticity hits differently. This compliment goes beyond her appearance. It touches her identity, her truth, and when a woman feels accepted for who she actually is, that connection becomes powerful because real will always be perfect. Compliment number 4: I love the way you see the world. It's different and it makes me think. Now you're stepping into rare territory. Most men chase looks. You're appreciating her mind. You're telling her that her perspective matters, that she influences how you think, and that shifts everything because now you're not just another guy trying to impress her. You're a man who is genuinely intrigued by her, and that curiosity that's magnetic. This is the kind of compliment that stays with her for years. Compliment number 5: I love your energy. It makes me want to be better. Energy is everything. Some people drain you, others elevate you. When you recognize her energy, you're acknowledging her impact on your life. And that's powerful. You're not just saying she's fun, you're saying she inspires growth. That's deeper than attraction. That's respect. Compliment number 6: you're honestly one of the most thoughtful people I've met. It shows in a world full of surface level interactions and fake kindness. Genuine thoughtfulness stands out. And when you notice it, you're seeing her heart, her effort, her character. This kind of compliment doesn't just make her smile, it makes her feel understood. Compliment number 7. I admire how driven you are. Your purpose is inspiring. Ambition is attractive, but recognition, that's rare. When you acknowledge her discipline, her goals, her direction, you're showing her that you value more than just attraction. You value who she's becoming. And that creates a different kind of bond. Compliment number 8. You have this way of making people feel comfortable like they matter. This is powerful because very few people have this ability to make others feel seen, safe, valued. When you point this out, you're recognizing her emotional intelligence, her presence, her ability to connect. And that hits deep. And there it is. 8 compliments that go far beyond the surface. These aren't just words. They create emotion, they build connection, they make you unforgettable because at the end of the day, a woman might forget what you said, but she will never forget how you made her feel. So start paying attention, speak with intention, slow down your words, and mean them. Because when you do, you don't just talk. To women, you impact them. And before you go, if you're serious about leveling up your mindset, confidence, and attraction skills, make sure you subscribe to the Love Blueprint and turn on notifications. And I want you to do something right now. Drop the words seen in the comments if this video changed how you think about attraction, because that one word means you understand the power of what most men never will. I'll see you in the next one. Before you leave, a quick note from the Love Blueprint. Some parts of this content may be enhanced using advanced AI tools for research and production, but every insight, principle, and message is intentionally crafted to help you understand attraction, relationships, and emotional dynamics at a deeper level. This channel is for educational purposes only, not professional advice. If you're serious about mastering love the right way, subscribe and keep building your blueprint.